Idiomatic expressions.
Idiomatic expressions of English speakers. Idiomatic expressions are a type of informal language that have a meaning different from the meaning of the word in the expression.
Here are some examples with meanings and usage.
Don't let the cat out the bag. You may say this when you want someone to keep a secret.
You are glowing in recent times.
I'm pregnant, but don't let the cat out the bag.
It's not rocket science. You may say this to express that something is not complicated. I've done my assignment.
I have not started. It looks so hard.
Come on, Sue, I'm done too. It's not rocket science. I'm all thumbs. You may use this expression to suggest that you are very clumsy. Watch out. Oops, I'm all thumbs. He's under the weather. You may use this expression when someone is not feeling well and you're not sure what's wrong.
Why is Joe not here today?
I hear he's under the weather.
Not my cup of tea. You may use this expression when you are not interested in something.
Please help Jack to blow the balloons.
No way, that's not my cup of tea. It's time to hit the books. You may use this expression when it's time to study. But Mom, I want to play with my toys.
No, Josh. It's time to hit the books.
In a pickle. You may use this expression when someone is in a dilemma.
You lied to both of us.
Now you find yourself in a pickle.
Full of baloney. This expression may be used to suggest that someone doesn't know what he or she is talking about.
That makes no sense, Tim.
I refuse to listen because he's full of baloney.
Top banana. You may use this expression to suggest that someone is in a top position.
Joe, how did you afford this party?
Remember that I'm the company's top banana, Susan. It's a piece of cake. You may use this expression to suggest that something is easy.
How did you climb up so high, Elijah?
It's a piece of cake. It's raining cats and dogs. You may use this expression to tell that it's raining heavily.
Why didn't you attend the funeral last Saturday, Evie?
I wanted to, but it was raining cats and dogs.
Kill two birds with one stone. This expression may be used when you get two things done with a single action. I enjoyed my watermelon, and I'm sure enjoying this iced tea.
That's good. I used one stone to kill two birds.
Keep your head above water. This expression means to avoid succumbing to difficulties, typically debt. Hey, June, how have you been since your father's death?
I'm good, trying to keep my head above water.
These English idioms are extremely common in everyday conversation. You will hear them in movies and TV shows, and can use them to make your English sound more like that of a native speaker.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.